Marvel 25 APC disconnect procedure. All these wires going into the cabinet are for the shuttle feed. They were all cut when we got them, so we spliced them all together. They're all marked. So we are going to take them off of here, and then it's going to be hard to get these through that hole, so you'll have to put some of them through one or two at a time. There's a couple of red ones. You have these here. You have all these blue ones. This is the main power coming in, so you guys can figure that out. Goes over there. And the coolant, this hose was missing, so we just bought you a hunk. It's longer than you need. You'll need to cut it to what you need. This hose comes off of here and goes into the coolant pan, and it just flushes it out. So that one you just dangle down in there. And we'll tie the head back from moving, of course. We'll tie the carriage from moving. There we go. And then what else? You have hydraulic hoses. We'll mark them with zip ties in different colors. But this is stamped TXB on here. And they're marked B, T. So we'll make sure everything is marked for you. But I think the movie up front might help you. This is the thing I'm most concerned about. These will be a little bit of fishing to try to get them through the little hole. Thanks.